Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change scaling for specific applications on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to locate icon apps. Pwede rin dito sa nakasave dito sa Windows screen at pwede rin tayo mag-search. So in the next step, dito lang sa search menu, click mo lang siya. And then type mo lang dito yung Chrome, right? So dito sa Chrome app, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung Open File Locations. So dito sa Open File Locations, dito lang sa Chrome ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung Properties. And then dito sa kanyang Properties, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Compatibility of the siya. Okay, so click mo lang siya. And then dito sa Compatibility, and next step ay dito na sa settings, under nito ay kailangan mo nang select dito yung change high DPI settings. So, i-click mo lang siya. Okay. So, bago tayo mag-proceed ay bigyan ko kayo ng quick informations regarding sa DPI. So, DPI is the measurement of pixel density measured by the number of display pixels and their size. High DPI displays have high pixel density compared to the standard DPI display. Okay, so proceed na tayo. And the next step ay dito lang sa kanyang choose the high DPI settings for this program. Dito sa program DPI, so i-check mo tong box. Use the settings to fix scaling problems for this program instead of the one in settings. Okay, so check mo lang siya. And the next step ay dito naman sa baba ay kailangan mo na i-check tong high DPI scaling override. So check mo tong box na override high DPI scaling behavior scaling perform. Okay? So, dito naman ay may tatlong options nito na pwede natin i-select. Okay? Yung una, ito yung applications. So, ang ibig sabihin ng applications na to ay the settings was previously named disable display scaling on high DPI settings. It forces up to run on a per monitor DPI awareness mode. In other words, Windows will not stretch the user interface of the app when the DPI changes. Okay? Ito yung applications. And then next naman, ito yung system. This settings stretches the user interface of the app which makes the text in the applications blurry. Okay. And then next naman, ang last, ito yung system enhance. Alright. So this settings resize the user interface correctly and makes the interface looks crispier. So dito naman sa system enhance, this settings resize the user interface correctly and makes the interface looks crisper. Alright, so kailangan lang natin i-select to system enhance, and then next click mo lang to OK, and then next click mo lang to OK, and then ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. Right, so ganun lang po kung paano natin i-change ang scaling for specific apps in Windows 11. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.